Friends, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gulabazar. Today in class 2nd computer class we are going to learn topic handling a mouse and touchpad. Do you know what is mouse? Mouse is a part of computer. Okay, you know that computer has four main parts. What are these? These are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, and you also know that a computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. All these parts are connected by wires. Let us learn about this part one by one. And friends, you know that our body has different parts to do different work. We write with our hands, walk with our legs, see with our eyes and so on. In the same way, a computer has various parts to do different work. So, the first one is monitor. A monitor looks like a television. A monitor looks like a television and it can display words, images and videos. And a monitor is also called a visual display unit. Okay, that is VDU. And the next part of computer is CPU. The CPU cabinet contains the central processing unit CPU. It controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. And the next one is keyboard. And you know that a keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. And pressing these keys help us to type words and numbers on a computer. And after that we are going to discuss about mouse. What is mouse? You know that a mouse helps to point, move and select an object on the monitor. And a computer mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel, and it is also used to play games and draw pictures. Nowadays, wireless keyboards and mouses are also available. They are not connected to CPU cabinet through wires. Okay, now come on the topic, that is handling a mouse and touchpad. In this topic, we will learn how we can handle a mouse and how we can handle a touchpad. Do you know what is touchpad? A touchpad is a flat touch sensitive surface on a laptop. It is an inbuilt pad that works like a mouse and it can sense the movements and tapping of the fingers. Okay, so now let's discuss about one by one topic. The first one is, friends, do you hear a click sound when you press a mouse button? Let us find out what that means. Okay, first one is computer mouse. What is computer mouse? We will discuss about computer mouse. And you know that a computer mouse has two buttons. And in last chapter we have learned that a mouse helps to point, move and select an object on the monitor. And a computer mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is also used to play games and draw pictures. And now we will learn computer mouse. A mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. They are called left button and right button. On left button we kept our index finger, and on right button we kept our middle finger. Okay, these buttons are called left button and right button. The scroll wheel is used to move a page up and down on the monitor. The scroll wheel is used to move a page up and down on the monitor. This is called a scrolling. And a mouse is also called a pointing device. So once again, a mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. They are called left button and right button. And a scroll wheel is used to move page up and down on the monitor, and this is called as scrolling. The mouse is also called a pointing device. Now common topic, types of mouse. How many types of mouse? A mouse uses either a ball or light for the move. A mouse uses either a ball or light for the movement of the mouse pointer. Do you know what is mouse pointer? Mouse pointer is blinking arrow that present on the screen of monitor. A mouse uses either a ball or light for the movement of the mouse pointer. A mouse can be used for many things such as pointing an item, selecting items, playing games and drawing and coloring. And next one is wall mouse. This wall mouse uses a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer, and the ball is made up of rubber or metal is present on its underside. Ball mouse. This mouse uses a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. The ball is made up of rubber or metal is present on its underside. And now we will discuss about optical mouse. What is optical mouse? This mouse uses an LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. In optical mouse, there will be an LED light for the movement of mouse pointer, and also this mouse uses an LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. Info box. A pad on which a mouse is kept is called mouse pad. A pad on which a mouse is kept is called mouse pad. And now come on next topic, that is mouse actions. A mouse helps us to perform the following actions. A mouse helps us to perform the following actions. First one is click, second one is double click, third one is right click, fourth one is drag and drop, and fifth one is scroll. Now one by one we will learn about these topics. So come on first topic, that is click. A mouse makes a click sound when its left button is pressed, and clicking selects an item or any option on the desktop. And if you want to try the click option, bring the pointer on any icon on the desktop and click on it once. A mouse makes a click sound when its left mouse button is pressed. Clicking selects an item or any option on the desktop. And if you want to try the click option, bring the pointer on any icon on the desktop and click on it once. And now we will discuss about second topic, that is double click. We will discuss about what is double click. Do you know that what is double click? Quickly pressing the left mouse button twice is called double click. And double clicking opens an item on the desktop. And if you want to try the double click action, then you have to place the pointer on this PC icon on the desktop and double click on it. The file explorer window opens. And next one is right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is called the right click action. Right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is called the right click action. And right clicking on any item opens a list of commands. And if you want to try the right click action, then you have to bring the pointer over this PC icon and right click. A list of commands will be opened. Drag and drop. Dragging means to move an item on the monitor while pressing the left mouse button. And dropping means to place the dragged item in another place on the monitor. And if you want to try the drag and drop action,
Then select this PC icon, drag the icon to another place on the desktop. And scrolling. Scrolling means to move the page up and down. Scrolling action is done using the scroll wheel. Moving the scroll wheel forward moves the page up, and moving the scroll wheel backward moves the page down. Okay, and now in next video we will discuss about touchpad and exercises of this exercise. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing, and you have to learn this chapter and also write in your CW copy. Thank you.